This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing both your green screen footage and the background clip into Capcut. Make sure your green background is evenly lit so keying is cleaner. Camera distance matters. Once clips are in, place the background on the main track and the green screen clip above it on a layer. If frame rates or aspect ratios differ, adjust the clip settings now so motion and borders match. This first setup prevents jitter and color spill later, and it saves time when you begin keying. You now apply the chroma key. Select the green screen clip and open the chroma key tool, then pick the green color directly from the preview. Once done, tweak intensity to remove most green, then adjust shadow to recover subject detail. Small changes prevent holes. If spill remains, lower saturation selectively or add a secondary key pass. Use crop to trim edges and mask to isolate the subject. Feather the mask to blend. These steps refine the key and finish by matching color and motion so the subject sits naturally in the scene. You should apply color correction to foreground and background, match exposure, contrast, and white balance, then align scale and position, or add motion blur to integrate movement. If edges look harsh, add a slight drop shadow or edge feather. Export using the original resolution and frame rate. If you get keying artifacts, revisit the chroma key sliders, refine mask edges, or relight the subject in your source clip. That usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.